Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Casca and I like to make things. In today's video I'll be making split drawers and a chemise. As much as I love doing the 1890s stuff, I've been thinking recently I'd quite like to try making some earlier costumes too. I love the idea of having a go at a second bustle era costume and maybe some even earlier stuff at some point. As always, it's important to start with the foundations, and since I've already made some combinations, I thought it would be fun to have a go at some separates. I found this really nice linen cotton blend fabric. I originally wanted plain white, but the plain stuff was £7.50 more per metre. It's light and breathable and I think it's going to be perfect for underwear. I'll be working from a drawers pattern from authentic Victorian fashion patterns and a sort of self-drafted pattern for the chemise. Right, let's get cracking. I started off by drafting a drawers pattern. I used one that said it was from the early 1890s this time. Okay, so this is what I've got for the chemise. What I did was I went online to look for some inspiration, see if there were any free patterns out there, and I did find one which I liked the body of it, but I didn't really like the neckline. So I've used the one that I found free online for this part of it, and I drafted this part myself, basically just by holding it up against myself and working out where like the arm side is and where I wanted the neckline to go. I stitched together the legs of the drawers and the two sides of the chemise. I then hand felled the seams. Okay, so I've just tried on the chemise. I'm not going to show you the footage of it because I'm currently a hot, sweaty mess and nobody wants to see that. But basically, it was quite a bit too big. So what I need to do is take out about 2 inches here and taper that into that, and then I need to take off, I think about 3 inches from the strap here, and then we should be good to go. I also decided to lower the neckline. I hand felt the shoulder straps and did a small rolled hem around the edges of the chemise. I overlapped the two legs of the drawers at the back so they wouldn't gape open and give me just a little bit more modesty. I then did a row of gathering stitches along the top. After stitching together the two sides of my waistband, I attached it to the top of the drawers. I then realised that I didn't need the gathering because it fits almost perfectly. It was at this point I should have noticed that something was very wrong. Instead, I decided to carry on and just take a couple of inches off the waistband to make it a bit shorter on the bottom edge. I used a running stitch to attach the outside of the waistband to the drawers and whip stitched the inside edge. I then added a hole to each side and a row of stitches to run a drawstring through. Okay, so I made a mistake. Okay, so what I found out is that if a sewing pattern doesn't have a waistband in the pattern, that's because it doesn't need one and the length is included. If you add a waistband, then you end up with this situation. The crotch is entirely too long. I am wearing shorts, so this is safe for work. But yeah, all this business here needs to be brought up quite a bit. The legs are also very long, so that's going to need some fixing. I'm happy with the way the top looks. It's just, yeah, this isn't attractive. After seam ripping the waistband, I took off a total of 8 inches at the front and 6 inches at the back. I added new gathering stitches and reattached the waistband. Next, I attached lace to the neckline and arm straps of the chemise. I decided to go with 2 layers, including one with holes in to thread some ribbon through later. I also had some super wide lace which I attached to the bottom of the chemise. I did a rolled hem on the bottom of the drawers and then a row of gathering stitches 1 inch above the hem. I then added lace to the bottom as well as over the gathered part. Finally, I threaded some ribbon through the lace. Oh guys, I'm sweltering. It's too hot. I'll have no makeup left at this rate. But I got it done. These are actually cooler than wearing modern day shorts and t-shirt, which is a little bit odd. Apart from my mistake with the waistband, they were reasonably easy to put together, and I think with them being all hand sewn, they actually look neater than if I'd done it by machine. I always love doing hand sewing. I find it really, really relaxing, and I've not been feeling too well recently because of this heat, and having a hand sewing project to concentrate on has really, really helped take my mind off the way I've been feeling. At first I wasn't sure about the stripes. I was worried they were going to look a bit pyjama-y, if you know what I mean, but I actually love them now. Like, they aren't your good drawers that you'd wear when trying to find a husband sort of thing. They're your comfy, reliable drawers that no one ever sees, that you only get out when you just want to veg out. I've made Victorian period pants, haven't I? Awesome. Overall, I'm so happy with how they turned out, and I think they look better than the combinations that I made last time. These will definitely be my go-to undergarments for costuming. If you enjoyed this video and fancy giving it a like, it would be very much appreciated. I'm always open to your suggestions and constructive criticism, so anything that you'd like to see, let me know in the comments. And if you'd like to see more videos of me trying to make things, then why not subscribe and hit that bell so you'll be notified next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!